Now, as you know, I am a diamond painter all the time. I diamond paint every single day. In the evening is when I like to diamond paint, and for about an hour and a half every single night, and that's how I get my projects done. So I leave them set up on my easel, and let's take a look at my newest diamond painting. This is my newest diamond painting. I finished the one before this, Meeting on the Turret Stairs, and you can see that in another video. But this is called Starry Night, and any diamond painter worth their salt needs to do this one. You can get it in several different places, but this is how it comes for me, because I like diamond dots. But this is what the box looks like. It's a Diamond Dots brand, and I believe I got this at Kohl's. This is Starry Night from Vincent Van Gogh, and look at that. They've got the picture on the box, which is really super nice. Most companies do not do that. I'm not saying they all don't, but most don't. And this one comes with a whole sheet of instructions on how to diamond paint, which you may or may not need, but it's good for beginner diamond painters. Now, the diamond painting colors come in packets. They're not in Ziplocs. So what I did was I put all mine in Ziplocs, and I put a number on each one. See, there's the number 4 right there. Number 5, number 3, and I just line them up 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 38, which is the number of colors in this painting. See, A38, this is the number of colors. And here are all the symbols that you follow on the painting itself. Most of y'all know that if you're diamond painters, but this is what I've done so far. I received this last Saturday, I believe it was, and I have already done from here, right here, all the way over this way, all the way over to here. I just have one little section here to do, and then I will start on this side again and work my way across like that until I finish. Probably 3 more rows is what it looks like. It's not a huge painting at all, not big at all. It's 16 by 20 inches, so it's very beautiful. And this is, of course, Vincent Van Gogh. I really love this painting because he actually did this from his studio, and we have writings from him and letters that he sent to his sister and his brother, and in it he talks about his work. And for this particular Starry Night painting, he actually did this in his studio, or in his room, I guess. So he was in an insane asylum, which he had needed to be there, I guess. And so he was in there, and he was doing a lot of painting. They encouraged him to do his painting. So he did this from memory. Now, he did another painting called Starry Night Over the Rhone, and I have actually diamond painted that, really loved it, and here's a picture of it. It's called Starry Night Over the Rhone, and he did that by standing there where he was. So he actually saw what he was painting in that particular painting. But in this one, it was done in his studio. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So the things that he remembered, and what he remembered too were the city that he's looking at, and there's a church right in the middle, and big tall steeple. It's really kind of odd that how tall it is for that small building, but it is a tall steeple. And then there are a few little windows here that reflect the light inside the buildings, but it's obviously nighttime. And he was just thinking of swirling things in his mind, I guess, when he painted this, because I've never seen any other artist paint like this ever. And I've done lots of his diamond paintings. The picture of Dr. Goudet, Starry Night Over the Rhone, this one, a couple others. I can't remember the names, but anyway, I like his work. It's very colorful, and it's basically easy to diamond paint. So if you're looking for a diamond painting, this is a good one to start with. I think a beginner painter could do this very easily, and I really enjoy working on diamond paintings. This is Starry Night by Vincent Van Gogh.